Friends, how are you? Okay, today I will show you how to install the car floor mats. This is the SUV vehicle Territory 4 2024. So today I will show you how to install the car floor mats. So this is the vehicle from inside. You can see this is SUV vehicle. Here we can install, and you can install here. So make sure before installing you clean your vehicle. Yesterday I take it for the wash to clean. First you remove these from your vehicle, like that. You can choose the driving seat side, keep it here. Which one is the driving seat? We will choose that one. So this part for the driving seat. So this one, this for the slip and trip. Okay, let's go to the vehicle driving seat. In this part you can see coming here, this is the long. Okay, let's keep it here inside. And this will be more like this. Okay, you can see here. It's coming very nice and cool. See, and this will become up to here. Okay, so this is the driving side. So for this we have one parts. I will show you. We have given these things for the solution of that. But to remove, we take 4 pieces. You see how much we require. These pieces are coming like this. First you need to remove it from both sides. Okay. After that there is a sticker given on this. So remove this sticker. Okay, you can see here, and fix on that part. You can see on this one, because these two are touching with each other. This part you will fix on the other side. Okay, just fix this part here. Okay, and then what to do? Do not remove, just fix it here. I will show you the technique for fixing it. Just put first here this one and then remove the sticker. Okay, and then connect your part here. Leave it for a while. I will show you later this one. Or you can see it's attached now. Oh, this is a good quality. So let's fix on the position. Okay, so I will fix another other pieces also. One I need here also. Or one other techniques, you can remove both stickers and just fix inside. It will attach already. Let's see, let's try that technique. So see, I remove one side and I'll fix it first here. Here I will fix it. Okay, I didn't remove anything. Yes, I will remove the sticker here. See, remove the sticker here and fix it here. And pull it. See, it's good. It's a good thing. You can easily. This I used before in the cricket, so I know this. One will fix here. So one I fix here on this piece. To remove from here, you can easily pull this here. It's going back side. So make sure here is okay. Here is okay. it will not come out of here. One piece we need down here because this is our foot place, so it will move more. Why I fix here? Because when we need to clean this, we will easily remove from here. Okay, one piece you put on this position because this is more important for you, your foot coming here. So I will keep this one piece here. Okay, just fix on the top here. Let's remove this part, fix it. Okay, so this is our driving seat side. See how it looks now. It's a good carpet, no need to open your seats, everything. Just bring this and install by yourself. Okay, let's go for the other side. Okay, let's see the other side. Take it out of here. Okay, now we have this. I have a bit dust remaining, and clean it well. So make sure you clean it well. Okay, this is the other part. You see here, just this corners, edges, even in this. Oh, completely made for this. You see, made for this people. This whole territory, and this you can put here. The downside and this one. Okay. This is fixed now. Now I will show you the third one. The other parts you can fix by yourself. 1, 2, 3, and 4 here. Okay. Now we can check the third one, the main important one, the big one. Okay. Let's see how it will fix. First, remove the old one. Okay, this one. Okay, I'll keep it here for now. And I will take. Okay, so let's see the position of this first. Looks like position. I will check first. I think it will come the same position. Okay, I don't have other person, so I'll put my mobile down and I'll fix it and I'll show you. So this is the position coming like this. You can see this is coming here. It will cover this place, and this will cover this area, you see, and cover here spot, and it will cover this part of the seat. Okay, up to here, this curve, you can put it here inside. So let's go to the other side. So on the other side, and put it here also. From here it's fine. You can find, and you can fix this part also. Just press it good, fix it good. Okay. So this is all. You can see this is the back seat. So let's see the vehicle. This is the front seat. Carpet looks good. Everything is covered up to here. Okay. Now we will go to the back seat. You can see here the back seat. It's covered, and this thing is very good. The top they gave. Cover this area also. Now we can see the other side, the other seat, non-driving seat. See the non-driving seat, you can see it's very good. The other parts for attaching, I didn't attach yet because the video is going very long. So that's all. We can easily install this. You can bring this online and easily install that to save your money. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Like, share and subscribe my channel.